Every bottle of cooking oil begins far from the factory, in open fields like these.
These crops are grown specifically for their oil-rich seeds. Inside each seed is the oil we use every day.
When the crop is ready, harvesting begins. Machines separate the valuable seeds in seconds. Tons of seeds are collected during a single harvest. They're transferred directly into transport vehicles. From the fields, the seeds begin their journey to the factory. This is where raw crops are transformed into cooking oil. At the factory, oilseeds are delivered and fed into large intake hoppers.
In the next few minutes, you'll see how seeds become the oil you cook with every day.
It starts with tons of oilseeds arriving by the truckload.
Cleaning, crushing, extracting, refining, then bottling at high speed.
Because this is food grade, cleanliness and safety rules are strict.
Here's how cooking oil is made in a modern factory. First, seeds move through elevators and conveyors to begin cleaning.
Screens shake out large debris like stems and stones.
Air jets pull away dust and lighter particles. Magnets remove any tiny metal pieces before they reach the machines. Some facilities wash and drain the seeds for a cleaner extraction.
Next, they're dried so moisture won't interfere with oil release.
Rollers flatten them into flakes, increasing surface area. The seeds are flattened into thin flakes to release more oil.
These flakes are fed steadily into the press system.
Inside the screw press, pressure forces oil out of the flakes.
This first oil is crude and still needs refining.
The solids become a dense press cake. And the first oil comes out, cloudy, warm, and full of impurities. It's collected and sent to filtration. Filters remove fine particles that escape the press. A centrifuge can separate even more solids from the oil. Some plants go further, using sealed extraction systems to pull out the remaining oil. The leftover meal can be processed for animal feed. Meanwhile, crude oil is stored and mixed for consistent quality.
Samples are taken constantly to check acidity, color, and moisture.
A quick lab test decides how the oil will be refined. Then powerful pumps send it to the refining line. This is where crude oil becomes clear, stable, and shelf-ready.
Temperature control is everything during refining.
First step, degumming. removing natural gums and phospholipids.
The separator pulls out gum-heavy material.
Next, neutralization reduces free fatty acids for a cleaner taste and longer life. Byproducts are removed and handled separately.
A washing step can remove traces of impurities. Then the oil is dried so it won't haze or spoil.
A fine mineral powder binds pigments and unwanted compounds.
This step helps brighten the oil and improve clarity.
Filters remove the powder along with what it captured. Now the final upgrade, deodorization. Under vacuum, gentle steam removes odors and volatile compounds.
After this, the oil looks clear and stays stable on the shelf.
It's cooled to the perfect filling temperature.
One last check: color, clarity, and consistency.
Even small changes can affect cooking performance. Only after passing QC, it goes to the finished oil tanks.
Now it's time to bottle thousands of liters per hour.
Each bottle is cleaned using filtered air before filling. Precise fillers dispense the exact amount of oil into every bottle. White plastic caps are fed into the line in perfect order. Each bottle is filled with carefully controlled precision. Caps are placed gently onto each bottle before sealing. The bottles are then capped to seal the cooking oil. Each bottle is marked with a batch code for food safety tracking. Labels are applied automatically at high speed. Cameras inspect fill level, caps, and labels.
Approved bottles are grouped for transport.
Heat secures each pack firmly. Packs are placed into cartons automatically. Robots stack cartons with precision. Pallets are wrapped for stability during shipping.
The finished oil is now ready for distribution.
From the warehouse, pallets are moved to the loading area.
Forklifts load the finished oil into transport trucks.
Each shipment is secured to prevent movement during transport.
Once loaded, the cooking oil leaves the factory for distribution.
The finished oil is then transported to distribution centers.